for brighter, clearer night visibility, the Sylvania 9005 SilverStar Ultra High Performance Halogen headlight bulbs are engineered for maximum down-road visibility with a wider, more defined light. With patented tri-band technology, these bulbs enhance contrast and clarity, making it easier to spot street signs, road hazards, and other vehicles. Over time, headlights dim, so it's always best to replace them in pairs to maintain consistent brightness and performance. Before purchasing, check your vehicle's user manual to confirm the correct bulb type. Your manual also includes diagrams and step-by-step instructions on how to locate and replace the headlight bulbs. Now let's go through the installation. Open the hood and find the headlight assembly. Turn the old 9005 bulb counterclockwise about a quarter turn and carefully pull it out. There's a small release tab. If it's stuck, use a flathead screwdriver to gently detach it. Always wear cotton gloves when handling halogen bulbs to prevent oil contamination, which can reduce lifespan. Once installed, you'll notice brighter headlights and improved nighttime vision. I definitely did.